Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In today's video, we are going to see two amazing protein rich recipes, chickpea salad and moong dal dosa. So if it's your first time here, do subscribe to our channel and come on, let's get into the recipe. So first we will start with the chickpea sandwich. For this I have taken 2 teaspoons of oil, 1 large chopped onion. Saute this for a minute. No need to saute for too long. Add some salt. And 1 small tomato. Just combine well, that's enough. So with this, I am going to add 1 cup of already boiled chickpeas. I have soaked this overnight and boiled to 4 to 5 whistles. Combine this well together. With this, I am going to add 1 teaspoon of chaat masala and 1 teaspoon of garam masala. Mix this well. Now we can switch off the flame. Now I am going to mash this chickpeas well, just like a aloo. We are going to mash this well. Now the chickpeas are ready now. We are going to arrange this. So I have taken 2 slices of bread. I am going to apply 1 tablespoon of mayonnaise. This is a homemade garlic mayonnaise. Now I am going to spread those mashed chickpeas. With 1 layer of sliced cheese. In the other bread also, I am going to apply a thin layer of mayonnaise. Press firmly and I am going to toss this for a minute in the tawa. So I am not applying any butter here. If you want, you can. And our yummy chickpea sandwich is ready. So now we are moving on to our moong dal dosa. So for this, I have already soaked overnight 1 cup of moong dal. So I am going to grind this very well now. Soak those moong dals at least for 5 hours. So let's grind this. should be nice smooth batter. Now we can transfer the batter into a bowl. With this, I am going to add 3 tablespoons of rice flour and some salt. Now we are going to mix this together and our batter is ready. This is the perfect consistency for the moong dal dosa, not too thick and not too thin. Perfectly flowing batter. Now we can make our dosas. I'm going to spread this on a hot tawa. For garnishing, I'm going to add some chopped onions, some green chillies and some cumin seeds. With 1 to 2 teaspoons of oil. You can add ghee as well. Press gently and our crispy dosa is ready to have.